Hi and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you visit me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can receive all the new videos. Today I'm going to make carrot soup. It is so easy, healthy, and delicious. All what we need is 2 pounds of carrots, 2 cups of leeks, and we're going to use only the white part, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a quarter of teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We will also need 1 teaspoon of salt and 8 cups of chicken broth. You can use 4 cups of chicken broth and 4 cups of beef broth, whichever you prefer. So let's get started. I already cut up the carrots and leeks. Now I'm going to start with olive oil, about 1/4 of a cup. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and just saute it a little bit. And then I'm going to add the leeks and carrots and keep stirring. I just stirred everything for about 5 minutes until it starts absorbing the smell of the garlic and the olive oil. Now I'm going to start pouring the chicken broth. And then I'm going to add the cumin and the cayenne pepper. I will also add 1 teaspoon of salt. I will now cover the pot until it boils, and then I will let it simmer until it's fully cooked. The carrots and leeks now are so tender, so all we're going to do is that I'm going to start blending it. The soup is done and smells so good with the garlic and olive oil, and it's so healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.